In this video, I will show you how to take a screenshot inside Snapchat secretly without the other person knowing. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright guys, open up your Snapchat app as you normally would. Head on over to your messages, and as you can see, I've got a snap from my other Snapchat account. So 1 minute ago I sent this Snapchat to this account. So to read this or view this snap, what you need to do is take a photo or video. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to take a snap. All right, I'm going to take a snap here. And then I'm going to put some text on this snap. Like so. And once you've done that, open up your screen recording and start to screen record. But I'm already recording right now, so I'm going to stop this screen recording and then go to the next step and show you. But before I do that, so start your screen recording and then exit out of this Snapchat and then go into that Snapchat, and then you can view it and then exit out, and then you've got that Snapchat photo or video as a screen recording. So I'll go ahead and show you how to do that. All right, I'm going to close this Snapchat now. I'm going to discard this. Now I'm going to open up this Snapchat here, like so. I'm going to close it, and as you can see, if I click into the name, there is no notification saying I took a screenshot, etc. Alright, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching.